Hey guys, it's Nicole from Keyprint Co. And I'm sure you've noticed, but a lot of different brands are using really minimal artwork and they're placing it in a lot of unique, isolated areas. Today we wanted to show you guys how you can use your face mask kit to achieve all of these areas for your next screen print order. Keep watching and we'll show you exactly how.
When you're printing on shorts, there's two main things that you gotta watch out for. The first one is how you're gonna secure the shorts down to the platen. And the reason is there's multiple layers involved in shorts. So sometimes if it's a single layer at the top, you can get away by using some type of a tack adhesive or a double-sided tape to hold down just the top layer, then you're good to go. But the other thing that you gotta worry about is that there's a lot of seams, right? There's a lot of seams that are gonna prevent you from getting a really smooth print all the way through. So for something like shorts, we recommend using the face mask kit and switching out the top plate for the 3x4 top plate. The cool thing about this is that you're going to be able to put the shorts entirely over the print surface area and then just come through with your hoop and secure everything down. Now what you're going to get is a completely flat print surface area, and it's all secured down with the hoop. So if you got to do a print flash print, or if you got to do multiple color prints, you're going to be good to go and it's not going to move anywhere. For these, we're gonna have to do a print flash print. So position everything where you want it, make sure it's nice and smooth, secure everything down with the hoop, and I'll do your first layer. So there's two places where we need to print the little PH design. One of them was here on the shorts on the right side, and the second location was on the right sleeve of the crew neck sweaters. So one of the good things about using a Platen like this is that all you have to do is put the sleeve down over the print surface area and then secure the entire thing down, and you're ready to print the second design in the second location. Alright, now that we're done with the first design, we're going to move over to the second one. So we're going to re-red shirt on press. Here's what we're going to do. You're going to drop it down to where it's pretty much over the print surface area. You're going to make sure it's nice and aligned. You can use your registration marks if you got them. And once it's exactly where we want it to be, that's where you tighten up the knobs. And you're ready to print the second design. One of the benefits of a Platen like this is that we didn't actually move the Platen from where it was originally. All we did was move the screen so that the new design aligns with the print surface area for the second print. So we're going to tape up the registration marks, and now we're going to print the second design. last print we have to do is on the left leg of the shorts, but it's the exact same print that we had to do on center chest for the shirts. So what we're gonna do, just keep the setup exactly the same, put the shorts over the top plate, and we're good to go.
I don't think they heard me. I don't think they heard me the first time. So I gotta say it again for them. I ain't felt this good in a minute. Own it. I ain't tryna rent it. It feel like it's third down. So I'ma slip for 'em like I'm Emmett Smith. Yeah, I'm going in, baby. Yeah, I'm tryna win, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. The way we win, it ain't fair. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Left, right, yeah. Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold. All of my necklace and a smile, you can't erase. It's the winner circle over here. We like to wild out and get weird. We like to put our hands in the sky, yeah, and show the world that we here. The way we living is so rare. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life.
We hope you guys love that video, and tag us at @KeyPrintCo so we can see all of the isolated areas that you guys are able to print with your face mask kit. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next week. Bye!